Hey guys, Dad of all trades, Adam here. Today we're going to be working on getting the forge tuned in good. I got an old grill. I'm going to use the base to put it on wheels, and we can have a bigger stand for it. And I think I've got something to make the burner burn a little hotter. I'll show you how it is before and after, and we'll just see how it turns out after a little bit of work today. So just stay tuned and let's see if we can get this thing rolling pretty hot. Alright guys, this is my current setup that I've got here. I've got those bricks in the back trying to make the work area that has to be heated smaller. And this is it from a distance. Pretty good size opening. This is my burner setup that I've watched videos and come up with. This top piece right here, I know the bolts are super long. I don't think it's flared big enough. I don't think it's getting the right air. So what I've got is this right here. Alright guys, let me get some gas flow in here and we'll fire this bad boy up. Show y'all what I think's wrong with it. So got a little flame to it, but it's not hot enough. It's not a jet. So as you can see, I've got it center drilled. Well, not center drilled. I wish. Center punched. Semi lined up. So I'm gonna grab a clamp. Whenever possible, I like to just at least one clamp. It's way safer. Go through. And hopefully that burner pipe size is right to go through there. Alright, so this is where I'm at currently. I got the hole in there. See the burner? The clamp, I can just kind of adjust it up and down. Once I figure out where I like it, I can put the holes in the sides and make it a little more permanent. But let's fire this thing up, see how it runs. Alright guys, so I pulled with the top a little bit. The gas, the depth of it, I'll just do it again and show y'all. If I lower it down, it tones it down. You get more of a jet roar the higher it is, so that sounds like that's where we want to be. Now the trick's gonna be to get. Sounds like a jet to me. Yeah, we're getting hot in there now. We might be on to something. So I think with this figured out, what I'm wanting to do is get that old grill and get some wheels on this bad boy. Get it to a more easy to work with height. Leave a comment if you got any suggestions. So this is the smoker I had. It was never very good. Super thin. Super thin, didn't hold any heat. Always had to fool with it. I went and bought a Pit Boss. That thing's awesome. Hopefully we'll get some smoking videos going. But for right now, I gotta get this thing out. It's full of ants. It's been sitting in the woods. So the only thing we're interested in is the base, the wheels, and that. We'll have to take this off. Thought it'd be good to hold hammers or something, but I mean, it's just rusted through. So we'll get something. We'll get it straightened out. Alright, so I got 2 screws I can't get. I'm gonna have to get the dang angle grinder. If I want to take more apart, I could get them. But I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna cut the heads off of them, and this thing should fall. Make a big mess. That was anticlimactic. It's loose. Unless I forget more stuff. That's welded to it. That's going to be the... Okay guys, I cut these 2 pieces of square tubing. I'm going to put them 12 inches apart. I'm going to weld it to here, and then I'm going to put a piece in between them to keep this thing, give it a little rigidity. This way later on I can put a bar up here, some kind of a support for something longer if I decide I wanted to forge something bigger, or hold tongs or just whatever. So this is the plan. We'll see if we can execute it. So I got the TIG welder set up, and I'm going to try and weld together these the frame on this cart so I can get it all solid, and then we can start putting the bars on it and get everything, get the forge mounted to it. So I'm going to try to get this thing TIG welded together a little bit. We'll get back to you. Well, in full disclosure, I got that side welded up. It looks like dookie, so, but it's holding together. So I guess we'll just continue on. Alright guys, I'm getting the tops welded on these square tubing that I'm going to set the forge on eventually. So I'm getting it welded on, show you a little clip of that, and then we'll set the forge on top of it and see how it looks. Alright guys, I was having some problems with this wheel, so I ended up having to re-drill it, put a pin in it and everything, but it spins good enough now. So we got that straightened out. Now all we got to do is put the forge on top of the little buggy here and get it welded on a little bit. It's got a little weight to it. Poor little welder always acting up. So alright guys, we got this thing on wheels. We got the new burner attachment put on there. So I'm gonna call this thing upgraded. I think it's a whole lot better. So let's fire this bad boy up and see what she does. Try glove this time. So this is it guys, got the new attachment on there. Got a good flame going. Got wheels on it. Put some cross bracing on the back. Later on if I need to support something out the front, I can always weld it to it. But yeah, I'm gonna call it good. So thanks for watching guys. I just want to say, please leave a like, share, subscribe. You know the routine. And I just really appreciate it, all the feedback, so thank you very much.